Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. The dependent drop-down were required on selection of the type on column B, and automatically there will be a generated document, the drop-down according to the listing, which is available on the data master sheet. So here I have added, like there were four entries available, but I have added another five, so that in case even if you in future if you are going to add more listings, you can always add here and those will be reflected accordingly. If you will add any of the entry at the bottom of these those will also be reflected automatically on the drop down on all of the other sheets. So the data master sheet is excluded from the drop down, so if you will make any changes on this one, so this is the only sheet which you will not get the drop downs. But on any of the other sheets, if you will use the drop downs, even if you will make a duplicate of it, and if you will use the column B, uh, from row column B, row 8 to from row 8 on column B, if you will make any of the changes in the drop down, if you make any selection, it will go to the data master sheet. It will find out, okay, on which column you have selected, and accordingly it will detect how many entries are there, and then it will automatically show you. I'll quickly show you the complete demo. So this is also the overview, and yes, if you will make further duplicate copies, it will also work on that one. And yes, I'll highly recommend to make duplicates so that you have the all same formattings. Okay, so let me show you how it is going to work. So basically, this is a code, and there is a Google Apps Script SOP. So every time you are going to activate, you cannot make, like, if you will make any selection, it won't work. So what you need to do, you need to activate the code for the first time because you want to authorize. You have to press continue, and anyone who's using the sheet for the first time and he she want to generate the drop downs, he need to go through this, and this is a standard operating procedure, nothing to worry about it. So it is asking for to make changes in all the sheets. So it's basically asking for this particular sheets access. So I'll press allow, and that's it. So now I'll be available to make drop downs. As you can see, if I'll select development income here, you will see a drop down. Let me select a live show here, and here you will see a drop down added with all the relevant entries. Similarly, on this one, you can see all of these. Let me select another one here, maybe cost, and you will see a drop down here automatically generated with all the relevant information from the data master sheet. Let me make a duplicate quickly to show you as well. So if I'll make a duplicate of it, so this is a new copy, and I can always select a course, and you will see a drop down, and yeah, here it is. So if you want to remove the drop down, you can always select and just delete everything. You can always unselect or delete everything from here as well. So as soon as you will make any changes, the drop down, okay, so there is another thing, let me show you. So if you select a drop down any particular type, and then you make another selection, okay, production, but you decided, okay, no, I want to change the type. So what this will do, as soon as you will make the changes in here, it will automatically disappear. But this can't be done with the formula, so yeah, this has to be done with a script. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further clarification, or if you have anything in your mind. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.